Ar-Rahman. Allah calls himself Ar-Rahman on 56 occasions in the Quran. Another 283 words are present in the Quran derived from its root word Ar-Rahima, such as Ar-Rahma meaning mercy. Defined as the most gracious or the most merciful, chapter 55 of the Quran is also called Ar-Rahman, a beautiful eye-watering account of Allah's mercy on mankind, jinn and all that exists. In Hadith al-Bukhari, Allah created 100 mercies, then He put one of them among His creatures, by which they love one another, and Allah has the other 99. Chapter 17 of the Quran, verse 110, Say, O Prophet, call upon Allah or call upon the most compassionate, whichever you call, He has the most beautiful names.